OnePlus 11 Pro has LTPO AMOLED display and iPhone 14 Pro has LTPO OLED display. OnePlus 11 Pro has 6.7 inches display and iPhone 14 Pro has 6.1 inches display. Here is the display resolution of both OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Here is the aspect ratio of both OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro. Pixel density of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro is 526 ppi and 460 ppi. Brightness nits of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro is 1300 nits and 2000 nits. Screen to body ratio of iPhone 14 Pro is 87%. Operating system of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro is Android 13 and iOS 16. OnePlus 11 Pro has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and iPhone 14 Pro had Apple A16 Bionic chipset. Here is the CPU process of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro. OnePlus 11 Pro had Adreno 740 GPU and iPhone 14 Pro has Apple 5-core graphic GPU. The back camera of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro can record video up to in 8K at 24fps and 4K at 60fps. OnePlus 11 Pro has 16 megapixels front camera and iPhone 14 Pro has 12 megapixels front camera. The front camera of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro can record video up to in 4K at 60fps. OnePlus 11 Pro has 5000 mAh battery and iPhone 14 Pro has 3200 mAh battery. OnePlus 11 Pro has 100 watt fast charging and iPhone 14 Pro has 20 watt fast charging. OnePlus 11 Pro has 50 watt wireless charging and iPhone 14 Pro has 15 watt wireless charging. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones support reverse charging. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have GPS. OnePlus 11 Pro has in-display fingerprint sensor but iPhone 14 Pro doesn't. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have face unlock. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones have NFC. Neither OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro have 3.5mm headphone jack. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones are water resistant. OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of OnePlus 11 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro is IP68.